Today I'm gonna do a oil pastel scenery drawing. Let's go. And the things you need is oil pastels, some graphite pencils, and one ruler. Let's go. First, you put your ruler into the middle and make a line with your yellow, your first color. Now you color it until maybe here. And we color. Now we're going to yellow ochre. Okay, that's color. Maybe until here. Okay, next color is this red. No more red. Make sure your coloring is only one side. Okay, next color is this color. It's about maybe here. Okay, and the last color is middle purple pink. So in this top. Remember I said always tape is for protection. Okay, now tissue paper time. Can you order back and start my Okay guys, now we will do the orange and red. So about here. Okay guys, now you color your bed until the end. Let's go. Okay, now guys, you take your your black color and do it half. Okay, here, ready? It's smudging time. Look, it's very smooth and nice. Let's go. I'm done with the merging. Now you will take your 8B pencil and just start doing your scenery. Okay, now guys, I am coloring my scenery with the 8B pencil. So guys, I'll see you. So good. Okay guys, after you're done with your tree bunch, you can draw your spring. Then with my swing. Guys, now take your correction pen and do some shading in the trees. Now give it really a good shake. Now we do dot dot. Coming. It's finished. Take your white and do some details here, here. Okay, let's go. Be careful, this will go too. Okay guys, now I'm done with my white. Now slowly remove your soften tips. What do they call that? Masking tape. Sorry, slowly now. Oh, so bad. Okay guys, it's really nice. I really like it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up for this video. Bye!